Hey YouTube, this is Patrick here from JJ and Patrick, and today I'll be playing some Happy Wheels. This is the version for I don't know, iPods, iPhones. It's the iOS, Android version, that's all I should say. And yeah, so let's start off at number 1, even though I already did it. Yeah, boom. 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 Drag it up. Let's check it out. Oh, the hole has an exit. That's good. It's always a good sound whenever the hole has an exit. Me and my foot traveling together. Okay, next. Yeah. Next level. Maybe later. I don't want to ruin the video in case that just ruins it, you know? So, yeah. Boom, boom. So, yeah, I have 13 subscribers. Subscribe to me, subscribe to us, subscribe to Spartan077. Watch his videos. Trust me. He has good videos. Okay. No. Okay. Oh, I think the point of this one is to find the ducky. So let's try and find that ducky. Let's go back. Yeah, we found. Oh, not a ducky, it's a fish. Sorry. Let's go to level 3. I think level 3 is hardest, so I think I'm gonna just do 3 levels. You know, for this one video, and then I might upload more if you guys like this. See, it's hard. Spinning my head on the spikes. So yeah, so we'll just do 3 of them, and then next episode I'll do 3 more. So yeah. Have you seen Paul Walcott? You have? Segway guy in Happy Wheels? Has the same thing that he has. You've been wondering. Excuse me, guys. So, yeah, I'm going down. Yeah, so, thank you guys for watching. Subscribe and like for more. And I'll see you next time.